It's an English vibe, man. Straight English and yardman thing, you get me?
I'm doing good, Gabrielle.
It's a straight English
See,
and yardman
this is why I
thing,
don't win
man.
games, because I don't ask for gifts. I just like ask people to tap.
You have to just
I'm gonna start
correspond with
asking
it.
people
You have
for
to just
fucking like gifts.
you
I
need
can't,
to
bro.
start
I feel
corresponding
really
with the poor
bad
people
if
more.
I come on here and like
Oh,
fucking hell,
Emma.
man.
Oh, fucking
Woo!
hell, man.
That
Emma,
pop, that was a good
thank
one.
you for the money gun. Thank you, Emma, for the gem gun.
It's a good one.
You know I go already, you know, bang, 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 you know, man. You know I go Emma. No, look at you up, man. No little boy, man.
Never gonna beat
You
that.
know, no, man,
Never
Emma.
gonna beat that.
You're never gonna beat
Unless
that?
someone comes
Oh,
in
my.
and does something really big, throws something really big, there's no way